Welcome to Isocrates.App channel, a platform where you learn, measure, and grow. On this video, we will show a quick and simple way to solve the question.
In this video, the question is, wearing helmets and fastening the seatbelt is highly recommended for safe journey. We have to justify our answers using Newton's laws of motion. We know that there are 3 laws of motion stated by Newton. So according to the second law, when the force acting on an object is equal to the product of mass and acceleration of the object. So if we are riding a bike, if we fall from the bike, then the force with which we fall will be equal to our mass and the acceleration of the bike, because we are moving on the bike. And due to Newton's third law, an equal and opposite force will be acting. So when we are falling it, we are hitting the ground. So if we are the actional force, the reaction force that is from the ground is exerted on us. So it should be equal. So the acceleration on which we are riding, the same acceleration will be converted into the force on which we are falling, and that will be hitting the earth. The earth will give back the same amount of force to us. The same force will hit our body, or mostly the brain part, head part. So if we wear helmet, then that force, that reactional force from the earth will not get directly to our head, but it will go to the helmet, and the helmet will get affected instead of our head, saving our lives. So it is necessary to wear helmet for a safe journey. And for the condition of seat belt in cars, we know that when we are moving in a car, the state of motion of the car is equal to the state of motion of the passenger. So the passenger is moving along with the car. When it is coming to an abrupt end or sudden end due to the collision between the two cars, the force in the collision will make the car to stop. So that means the car will undergo a deceleration or negative acceleration. In that case, due to the inertia of our body, if we are not putting seat belt, then the passenger or the driver who is there, they will be coming front. So they have high chance of getting collided with the windshields or with the steering wheel in the case of driver. But if we are putting the seat belt, then as the car comes to deceleration, the seat belt will also make the passenger or the driver to decelerate its motion and keep them at rest as the car comes to rest. So it will save the lives of passenger as well as the driver from hitting the windshields or the steering wheels. So it is highly recommended for the driver to wear seat belts while going for a journey. Thank you.